Hi, I'm Dave, an American citizen retired living in Thailand, and I have both an American ham license as well as a Thai ham license, and this is my station here in Thailand. This is the power supply which feeds power to the Kenwood TS570 transceiver. And this is the antenna tuner, which will tune the transceiver, match it to the antenna, to the impedance of the antenna. Over here I have a code generation machine, if you will. Because I prefer to use Morse code to talking. However, I can also use a single sideband by using the microphone. I have a coupler box here which connects the transceiver to my laptop, which I won't open up, but it allows me to use digital modes besides Morse code and single sideband or voice. I can also use radio, telegraph, teletype, which is called a digital mode. It's like Morse code, except it has a different sequence of dashes and dots. And there's RTT. There's all kinds of acronyms referring to digital modes. There's packet. There's radio, telegraph, teletype, Amtor. All kinds of digital modes. But you need a laptop to do that, and you need this little box to connect the laptop to the transceiver. Now what else? I have up here on top of the roof. I have a beam antenna, a Yagi antenna, which is rotatable, and I rotate that with this remote control here, the box. I have a map of the world on the wall, and with Thailand at the center. And if I want to talk to United States, for example, I simply run an imaginary line up north, and it tells me how many degrees to turn the antenna to be able to talk directly to the States or to Europe or to Africa. And all of that's very possible. No problem whatsoever. This is a little field strength meter. It tells me if the antenna is actually producing power or not. And let's see, what else can I tell you? What else might be interesting for you?
Well, I guess, appreciate that. Very nice. Anything else?
Well, let's see. I said, hello, testing, testing. This is HS0ZGR, and also I can speed it up. I can put out automatic transmission whenever I'm through talking. You always have to identify who you are. So by doing this, by pressing this button here, it puts it out in two different speeds, so as not to waste time. People already know your call, so you speed it up at the very end, so that you don't have to waste time sending it. These buttons are all, anyway, it's Morse code. People are not interested in Morse code today, unfortunately. I've been a ham for 50 years, and I love Morse code.
Yes.
My two main interests are Morse code and antennas, making antennas.
Well, thank you very much, Dave.
Oh, thank you.
Okay.